In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Ria Money Transfer account in 2025, whether you're no longer in need of their services, focusing on privacy, or just cleaning up your digital footprint. We've got you covered with this straightforward process. The steps are easy to follow, so let's get started. First, you'll want to go to the official Ria Money Transfer website. Open your web browser and type in the URL, or just search Ria Money Transfer in your search engine. Once you're on their homepage, you'll notice the site is designed to make sending and receiving money as easy as possible. We're here to focus on a different task today though, deleting your account. When you're on the website, look towards the top or the bottom of the page for links to various sections of the site. Here your destination is the Help Center. You'll often find it under a menu labeled Support or Customer Service. Accessing this section is crucial because it houses various resources to help you with your account-related queries. Once you've clicked into the Help Center, you want to get in touch with their support team directly, as there isn't a simple button for deleting your account outright. Many online platforms require a bit of back and forth to ensure that your requests are handled securely and accurately, and Ria is no different. Look for an option to contact support. This might be in the form of an email option, chat, or request form. Now within the inquiries or contact options, specify your requirement to delete your digital information. Clearly communicate your intention to close your account permanently. This step is crucial because providing clear instructions will expedite the process. Companies often take customer security seriously, and they'll want to confirm twice before deleting your account and all associated data. Once you've sent your request, hang tight. In most cases, a representative from Ria Money Transfer's customer service team should respond, typically acknowledging your request and possibly confirming your identity for security. Remember, this is standard procedure for most platforms to protect users. While you wait, it might be a good idea to log into your account one last time and review any transaction history, downloading any statements you might need. Once the support team confirms your account deletion, gaining access to this information can be quite difficult, if not impossible. And that's the process, folks. It's worth keeping an eye on your email inbox for any correspondence from Ria, ensuring that the deletion process is on track. We hope this guide has made the process clearer for you. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with more helpful tutorials.